Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an original song with Sprunki. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to set up your Sprunki account. Visit the Sprunki website and sign up for an account if you don't have one. And then just log in to access the music creation tools. The following step is to choose a template or start fresh. Browse through available song templates for inspiration. Alternatively, select the option to start with a blank project to create your song from scratch. The third step is to select your genre and instruments. Choose the musical genre that you want your song to reflect. For example, pop, rock, electronic. Pick instruments and sounds that fit your chosen genre and add them to your project. So the second last step is to compose your melody and lyrics. Use the built-in tools to create melodies and harmonies, experimenting with different notes and rhythms. Write lyrics that complement your melody, focusing on themes or emotions that you want to convey. The last step is to arrange and finalize your song. Arrange your song structure, intro, verses, chorus, bridge using Sprunki's interface. Fine-tune your music, adjusting volumes, effects, and export your completed song to share with others. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.